Netochukwu. Netochukwu. Can you explain to me what happened back there in the palace? Start talking now.
All I know is the reason I traveled abroad. The reason I worked so hard to acquire all this wealth that I have today. All I know is the reason I am back to this village. All I know is the love of my life. The only woman I've ever loved and would ever love.
My love. I'm sorry.
Why do you keep me waiting now?
I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. See, I didn't mean to keep you waiting. I had to sneak out of the house. If I told my parents I was coming to see you, they would have stopped me. I'm sorry.
So, tell me, how long are we gonna keep our relationship from the world? This whole thing is becoming inconveniencing.
Are you tired of me? Do you want to leave me?
No.
What?
I can never say or insinuate that. Just that your parents do not like me.
That's not the point. You got it all wrong. My love, listen. It's not about you. I think they want me to marry a rich man. Maybe someone that lives in the city. Someone who is comfortable enough to cater for me and, you know, take care of me. But they don't know that the love I have for you supersedes wealth and every other thing. Please, don't think like that now.
And you think they are not right? Listen, Ubin, your parents are right. A beautiful girl like you cannot be married to a pauper who cannot take care of you. And that is why I want to go to Lagos to join my uncle in his electronics business.
You want to go to the city?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, plan again. You want to go there and follow city girls? Oh,
but
leave me.
Listen, I am doing this for us. Akamonake, you know I love you so much. You know you're like an angel in human form. My heart's remedy.
It's Sawago.
Oh.
I love you.
I love you more, honey. I will never leave you, okay? No. Why are you crying as if I am not going to come back to this village anymore? Listen, I'm just going to Lagos to hustle, make money, then come back and pay your bride price. You know I can't wait to get married to you.
See the way you're sounding, as if you're going to Lagos to come back tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
Oh, listen, it depends on how long it takes me to make money. I will definitely come back. I promise.
Okay, promise me you will not leave me. Promise me you will not follow another girl if you make it in the city, that you will come back for me.
What are you saying? I swear to God and by this ground we are standing on, if I ever leave you, let this ground swallow me untimely.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh yeah, promise me you're not going to leave me. Promise me you'll wait for me to come back.
I will not leave you. You know I love you so much.
And I love you too.
I've never loved a man the way I love you.
I know.
I'll wait for you.
Sorry, oh. So without Olanna, I'll be miserable for the rest of my life. Because her image is engraved in the pages of my heart. Brother, I cannot love again. Please, you need to leave her for me.
Never! Never! I will never let anyone take Olanna from me, not even you, my brother. Olanna is mine, and I will do everything possible to make it remain so. Get that into your head.
Do you know what is making me angry? The person that he's dying for, he's not even thinking about him. He's not in her gallery. Okay, Papa, if you are existing in her gallery, we should think of marrying the prince.
See, Nefechi, one more word from you, I will tell you that I am your father, and I was the one that brought you into this world, and I can effortlessly take you from this.
I look for my mother and put me in her belly now. Leave the girl for uncle.
Nefechi!
Brother, we don't need to drag this.
Papa, see.
Monachi, what are you doing here? What have you come here to do?
Jidena, I am so sorry. I'm sorry for all I did to you. I'm sorry for leaving you here and running away to the city. Jidena, I got tired of watching my child cry every day for food. Jidena, I had to run. I had to go to the city. I had to walk with my sweat and my tears and my blood. But Jidena, I am back now. I have made it. And I have come back to take my family with me.
Papa, what is going on here now? Who is she? What talk now?
Nefechi. She's your mother. She woke up one morning and abandoned you and I. And left for 9 whole years. Now she's back begging me. But I will never ever forgive her.
You say you came back and you made what?
Yes, I've made money. I've made it.
Papa, if you don't forgive her, I'll disown you as a father and follow my mother. Are you not tired? No, Joe brother, are you not tired of suffering? Be selling mama up and down. If you're not tired, me, I'm tired though.
Nefechi, did you hear me before? I said she abandoned us for 9 whole years. And you want me to forgive her just like that?
Why would you forgive her? 9 whole years and she came back and she made it. 9 whole years, have you made it?
I know I don't deserve your forgiveness.
You deserve it.
But I've come back now to atone for my sins.
You like the buga? Okay, forgive something wrong person, huh? It's okay, don't take the glory.
Come back. I've really missed you.
I missed you too.
Oh. Mama, come out, please. What did you buy for me?
She's my wife.
She's my mother.
This must be my son, right?
Yes.
You've grown so big.
Yes, I'm a big boy.
Oh, thank God for that.
What did you buy for me? Don't change topic.
Oh, don't worry. I have a lot of goodies in my car. Don't worry, you'll be filled. Anita Chupo. Wow, you've changed so much.
Yes, that's me.
I didn't even recognize you.
Likewise, you.
Oh, thank you.
You look absolutely amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know, right now I have my own company in the city. Yeah, and I've come back here to take my family back to the city with me.
Can you hear that?
Which company?
Yes.
Oh, your company, gas company, Dango, which one?
Are you for real? You must be joking.
No, I'm serious.
You've come to take us to the city?
Yes.
More city?
Yes.
Come on, give me one. More.
How come I haven't heard the town crier announcing the death of the crown prince and his bride?
That is because he is not dead. And the marriage ceremony did not pull through.
This is the best news I've heard today. Hold on a minute. What really happened? Didn't he take the wine again?
As soon as she wanted to give him the wine, a strange man drove into the palace compound. On seeing him, the wine meant for the prince fell off her hand. Considering the customs and tradition of the land, the rest of the wine was poured away, because anyone that consumed the abominable palm wine, calamity shall befall him.
I see. So what are you doing here?
I came to collect my money.
You came to collect your money for the job that you didn't complete. Huh?
My queen, my mother is very sick in the hospital. Her illness became worse recently and she's depreciating by the day, my queen. Please, I need the money for her heart surgery.
What am I paying you for exactly?
If you don't give me the money, I'm going to expose you.
Wow. Blackmail is part of my side hustle. And I know every inch about it. If you dare to tell anyone about our conversation, I will first kill your mother faster than her damaged heart would have. Then I will wipe your entire generation from the surface of this earth, my boss. And then when I'm done with that, I will come to you. Now tell me, young lady, what did you say?
I'm sorry, my queen.
Better. Now get out, get lost, and never, you ever come to me again. Out. Get out. What rubbish. Take me out of here.
Olana! Olana!
We've
been so worried. We've been so worried since you traveled to Nigeria. Me and your siblings. I've been so worried day and night. Yes, your Nigerian line. Yeah, we couldn't get through. I know you're not a baby. I know you're not a child. I know that. But you know, Nigeria is so corrupted. Everywhere, even the babies, the adults, nobody's safe over there. You gotta be very, very careful. I'm glad to hear your voice. So how is everybody around you? How is, your... Okay. All right. I'm so happy to hear your voice, Vivian. What? Oh, your friend, Mary Maisie. You met with him. Wonderful. How is he and his family? Please extend my greetings to them, okay? All right, please. Take good care of yourself, okay? Oh, yes. I'll tell your siblings that you said hello. I love you.
I already know what you want to ask. And my answer remains the same. My children have not been found. The police have not... They have no idea of their whereabouts. I don't know if my children are still alive or dead. What? Okay, I'm coming.
Listen, careful.
Honey.
What is the problem?
Auntie Lydia just called. She says she knows where our children are.
She know where they are?
Yes.
But what are we waiting for? I have my car key. Please come, let's go.
Okay.
Just...
What is the meaning of this? What in the world is the meaning of this? Do you realize that you're the crown prince of Ndiako kingdom? A king! The only thing standing in your way is the staff of the king that has not been handed over to you. Because the traditional ceremony couldn't hold. Look at what you've reduced yourself to. My princess, you have to calm down, okay? Listen, sorry, everyone deals with heartbreaks differently. Yes, maybe, just maybe if you were in his shoes, you would do the same or worse. That is the crown prince of Ndiako kingdom. But he still has blood running through his veins, not water. He's human. And he has feelings. Okay, just take it easy on him. Okay?
You should give me my liquor. My liquor, please.
My friend.
Who has my liquor? Give me my liquor.
You have to put yourself together, okay? Just
give me my liquor, please. Give me my liquor.
My prince. No. My friends. Please get up. Get up. Freshen up, okay? Listen. Maybe you should freshen up. You'll get yourself, okay?
Stop. It's so painful. Stop. God.
This is
what you get for refusing to come to the palace. So I can take good care of your health.
Listen, can't you see? I'm not doing bad. Sirachi is doing very good, man. Can't you see I'm fast recuperating? Just stop.
I can see. The one person who left everything to focus on her own personal life. Please keep your leg for me.
Oh, no, come on. You don't have to sound that way. Stop it. Not again now.
When? No, tell me, when? You know I don't like that girl. I hate her. Everything about her doesn't sit well with me.
I forbid you! I forbid you from sounding that way. How dare you sound derogatory regarding a woman I want to end my life with? Listen, what my dad must say is that I'm happy with her. That's the most important thing here, and not what you're saying.
Oh, please, save me the pretense. Save me the pretense. You and I know that all is not well. So why are you acting like it is? The throne has been vacant for how long? And when they tell you about it, what do you say? You are not psychologically okay for it. How can you be psychologically okay when you choose to stay in a rented apartment, leave your home, the palace? You roam around like a commoner. You refuse all your royal guards. For what?
If you don't desist from sounding the way you're sounding right away, I would show you the door.
It's fine. All I'm trying to say is, just do something that will make our late parents proud. That's my point. What about your leg? Let me...
Remember we had fun when we went to Nigeria last time?
Yeah, we had a lot of fun.
A lot of fun. This food is actually great.
It's delicious.
So I wanted to let you guys know. I spoke with your big sister Vivian yesterday.
That reminds me, Mom. I tried calling her Nigerian line yesterday, but it wasn't going through.
Yeah, Nigerian network.
Yeah, I actually wanted to ask you about her earlier today, but I forgot.
I guess if you say she's okay today, I'll try calling her today.
She said she got to Nigeria safely, so I'm happy to hear her voice.
Thank God she got to Nigeria safely though.
Nigeria is fun. Remember we went to Nigeria last time? Didn't you have fun?
Yeah, we did.
We did a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry that it took this long before I opened up to you both that your children were in my house. They told me lots and lots about you. But the truth is, your parents need to learn to beat your children less and discuss with them more. Please, do have heart-to-heart talks with them and listen to them. Because no matter how little or how childish you see these children, they always have a reason for every single thing they do. Please.
I totally agree with you. I want to use this opportunity to apologize to you three. Indeed, I have been very hard on you. And I promise henceforth that I am going to be a good father. Well, your mother and I have agreed to allow you attend the public government school that you've always wanted to go.
No, Dad.
Yes. If that will make you happy, we will do it.
No, we don't want to go to that school anymore. We hate it. Yes, please, Dad. We're comfortable in our school. We like our school. Please, if you want to make us happy, please don't change us. Please, Dad. We don't want to go there anymore. Yes, we don't want to change.
Why this sudden change of mind?
Dad, Mom, we are very sorry. Yes. For everything we destroyed. Yes, Dad. Now I know that everything you were doing for us was for our own good. But we didn't know. You've been the amazing dad ever. Yes. So please forgive us. We will not take anything for granted again.
Yes.
Please.
Mom, Dad, we have learned to appreciate the good God has done for us. Please forgive Okay, for yes, Dad. I won't even wish for my enemy to go to that public government school. Dad, please forgive me. I don't want to go back to this.
I forgive you. I forgive you guys.
Thank you, Daddy.
Netochukwu, he has grown so big that I did not even recognize him.
Exactly.
I noticed. I saw the way you were looking at him when he walked in.
You know that Netochukwu, that small boy that used to sneak into my house?
To do what?
To see you, of course. She thought I didn't know.
I don't know what you're talking about. But the thing is, Netochukwu is truly the man after my heart. We love ourselves so much. Unfortunately, when he left for abroad, I thought he was never going to come back. I felt maybe he had married Onyocha. I decided to move on with life. But he came back and we're back together. So he wants to marry me.
Olana, I trust your judgment. The truth is, I have given both of you my full blessings.
Oh,
thank you.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You can go ahead and marry, and I wish you the best of luck.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Papa. Thank you, Papa.
Thank you so much, Father. Thank you so much. Well, I know you're hungry. Let me go and get your food, Osa. I'm coming.
Papa, I've got you some goodies. It's in the trunk of my car.
Wow.
You will like them.
Oh my
God. You know that
God.
walking stick? That's
Yes.
what
You brought it. Oh my God.
Hi, Vivian. My sweet daughter. How are you? I'm glad to hear your voice. How is everybody around you? Wonderful. Yes, we're all right. I'm glad. What? He proposed to you? Excellent. This is great, Vivian. Oh, wow. That is good. This calls for celebration. Yes. You're going to be part of the royal family. We're all going to be part of the royal family. Okay. I'm glad. We're going to celebrate with you. Yes. I will. Okay.
Emenike, what is keeping them? Eh?
Just calm down. I believe they'll be here soon, eh? I trust these guys. They are not, they're going to be here soon. Let's just give them some time, eh?
Look at it now. It's almost 30 minutes.
Yeah, I understand.
This is not funny anymore. It's not funny.
Okay. Here they are.
What kept you guys waiting now, eh? I've been here for more than half an hour, waiting for you guys. I thought by now we have agreed that you don't keep me waiting for so long.
Actually, will be no one come. You understand? But when we come reason the matter, waiting we go achieve from you. Come make us say, mo join body, mo come see you. No, sir.
Whatever. I have this one last job for both of you. If you pull it out successfully, I will pay each of you 200k.
What thing be that?
I want you to assassinate Mr. Hyginus and Olana and bring me their heads.
You say?
You heard me?
Wait, because of 200k, you mean say make I go buy your papa and your sister? What kind satanic evil human being you be said?
How? How do you get to find out? I don't understand it.
You send us work. The work where you send us self, they shoot me for hand, shoot Sonto for leg. He never even he finish. Even doctor self, we still the old doctor. My guy self, they move on for the work. You still get mind. They tell us say, say you go give us this one, this. Which kind of pattern be that one where they yarn? Eh?
Because she didn't do a good job.
Wait. You never even pay us finish for the one where we do for you, self. You still carry this where you perfect your alignment though.
Wait. Okay, now, the reason I say now only you now get brain when they investigate Matabi. Use your teeth, count your tongue.
What is really going on? What is happening here?
Is there any femme from this your rubbish mouth again? I go use this my color. I go wire your skull. You go know see your punk no be your mate.
Confirm.
Where you? Oh, nice.
Come on! Give me that khaki. Where you want it? Come on! Come on!
Whoa. You see this car key for my hand? It don't enter my hand. You see this car? I go sell her and I go use the money treat my leg, my injury. And again, I go use the money, the remaining one, give Nanka. Here, making for fit pay the doctor when treating own injury. Do you hear me?
Emenike, do something.
Do what? Huh? Do what?
Something.
Sizrachi, what you don't know is, as you plan your own, we say for the plan our own. You get it? Yes, that's what it is.
Emenike, even you?
Even me what?
Quiet! Shoe get size.
Amen, the runner move.
On I be. Make you for no forget. Emenike here when you see so, you get him own share if I don't tell you.
Confirm.
And if you don't know, I go give Mr. Hajinus the rest of the money because we don't do that man bad thing. That man an innocent man. And you know what? Alone now when I know. If I let her know, say now you there behind all these evil acts. At 2 seconds now, you go see yourself overboard. You dey inside grief. You don't understand? Bobby, what could they play?
Our guy.
May continue to the Zuzu. The Zuzu, just a Zuzu. Come on! Where you clever? The Zuzu. Just the Zuzu. The Zuzu, I think.
Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Oh my God, my God, my God, God! Somebody help me! Oh, somebody help me! Emenike! Somebody help me!
SMO, my ageless gratitude goes to you. Thank you so much for your role and your consistency in the things of the spiritual concerning the kingdom of India. Oh no, I came. You was born mad. I can never get back to the born mad. Mazi, I got my lady. Okay, I'm up for the lady. Good cheer, eh? You are not a man over there. I cannot follow the Aka.
Congratulations, our king.
On my honor as the king of Ndak Kingdom, join me. Let us go inside and continue the celebration.
Where is my husband? Where's my husband? Baby! Come here! Baby, where have you been?
I went to please myself.
Okay, so the prince asked us to join him inside. The bride has gone to change.
Are you serious?
Yes, the party is about to begin.
All right.
Baby.
What is it? And what is it? Eh? Your food don't finish. Ha! Ah! This is so pathetic. I need to get to where I'm going as soon as possible. What kind of temptation is this? Ha! Where do I get another bike? Where do I get another bike? Hey!
going on here? How dare you collect my drink from the fridge to give to this useless son of yours? How dare you? Sister. Hey, don't sister me!
This is just a bottle of Coke.
And
we're
so
sharing it.
Jesus! Useless thing.
What is it? I have had enough of your bullying in this house. To the extent you'd have to hurt someone you claim to love just because you want to frustrate me out of this house. But I will never leave. There's nothing you will do that will get under my skin. You will never frustrate me out of this house. I'm talking to you. Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Now listen. As for your secret, it is a cross I will have to bear till my last breath. I'll keep it. That's what sisters do for each other. Unlike you, who is willing to do everything to frustrate your own sister. Mom. Are you proud of yourself? Look at what you've done. Are you proud of yourself? Wicked soul. Who is the secret? Come, let's go. Take your coat.
Don't let the tears of the innocent rain down in vain.
Papa. Papa, how are you?
I'm fine. Something in me just told me to call you. Hope you and your sister are fine.
Papa, my life and fine.
That's good to know. How is your son?
He's fine.
Alright, take care of yourselves.
Oh, alright, Papa. We are alive. We are alive. Jesus. See, wait. How are you feeling?
Mom, nothing. I feel okay.
You feel alright? We didn't die. We are still here. I feel okay too. I'm confused. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Father Lord, I worship you. I appreciate you for sparing our lives and giving us a second chance. You have shown us that in all affairs of man, it can only be God. You have shown us that you are with us. No man will be against us. Thank you for preserving our lives. No man will kill us. No woman will kill us. Thank you. Whoever that would dig a pit for us will fall and enter inside. Whoever that will kill me before my time will die prematurely. You will continue to protect us and shield us. Father Lord, I appreciate. In fact, I don't know what to say. I don't know. It's just like a dream. What is going on here? What is going on here? Impossible. This is impossible. You are supposed to be dead by now. Both of you. Unfortunately, we are not dead and we are not dying anytime soon. You see that pit which you dug for me, which you heartlessly dug for your own sister, you'll be buried and be covered in it. Where you're standing is a sinking ground. The air will be against you. The sand will be against you. That is your portion. Heartless being. Let's go. Let's go. Yay! What just happened? Is it that your tapia they gave me is fake? That person must be fake. Please don't.
and wish my long-term dream of becoming the queen of Ndako Kingdom. Not even the man that gave birth to us will stop me from becoming the queen.
Please, I won't stop you. The baby won't stop you. I promise you, the baby will be mine. I will take full responsibility of the baby. No one knows you are pregnant, let alone having a child. They will think he's mine. Don't kill him. Please. I am begging you.
It is nothing but a curse that was just be shoved down my womb.
Let me have this.
Over my dead body. Over my dead body. There can never, ever be a happy ending in your life, Olana. After all I have done to kill you and that miserable son of yours. But the demon inside of you always has a way of saving you of maneuvering things. But today marks the end. Meet me in
Cha-cha-cha, Ndiaku Kwane! Yeah! Cha-cha-cha, Ndiaku Swano! Yeah! Kachana! Yeah! Omono Gazunu! Yeah! My great people of Ndiaku Kingdom, may you all be seated. It's a great honor to have you all today. And as my honor as the king of Ndiaku Kingdom, I want to specially thank you all for coming around. It's the reason why I called you all to come and join me inside after the celebration outside. Because I want to thank you all in a very special way. With my elders, your roles will not be forgotten in a hurry. And to you, Olana, I want to use this medium to say thank you for coming into my life as well. For everything that happens in a man's life is for a purpose. And for the rest of you, I appreciate you all. Ezemo, I want you to know something. I will always,
over my dead body. Will you have a happy ending? Olana, after all my attempts to eliminate you and your useless son, the darkness that dwells in you always had a way of maneuvering things. But I promise you that today is the end of your existence. See you in hell! Hey, when I'm here!
Baby.
it is settled. Hey!
Simo, I hope my sister is not dead.
Please, let this not distract us. Guards.
Sirachi! Jesus! Jesus!
What? Oh my God. Whosoever that sows evil shall reap evil. I pass this decree that lets the celebration continue.
Olana no dey smile again. If you do me, I do you. She no send you. If you cross her lane, you collect water. It shock you. Na condition make her a fish bend. No blame her. She don't see something in this life. So, nothing again, they fear in this life. Oh, Wakaraka, oh, you gonna do it? Oh, you gonna do it? Destiny child, you are very strong. I'm gonna see Kakaraka, Akari Wapugondo. Wakaraka, oh, you gonna do it? You were destiny child. You are very strong. I'm gonna see Kakaraka, Akari Wapugondo. All Anna, a strong girl. She always stay on a high mood. What an girl, she had injustice on a way. All Anna put to a biggie, all Anna can even never give all Anna, Hemekwananike, Ike Wupman, all Anna, Etikwananiwa, Ike Wupman, all Anna, Hemekwananike, Ike Wupman, all Anna, Wakaraka, Wapotara, Opugongene, Puankisi, Masirike. You were destiny child. You are very strong. Abuna isiga karaka, akari wapugondo. Wakaraka, wapotara, opugongene, puankisi, masirike. You were destiny